Welcome guys to another episode of the Amcademy. Today we're going to talk about things you need to do additive or to get in the additive manufacturing besides the printer, the material and the software. Because some of our viewers, they've asked, do I just need the printer and that's it? And can I put it next to my desk in the office? Well, no, at least not with the metal printers. So, of course, safety first. We start with the personal protection equipment. And here we have safety shoes to protect your feet from heavy things when they fall down. The second one is a mask. In this case, a half mask. You have also full face masks, and they protect your lungs if you from breathing in powder, because of course it's not good for your health. The third things are gloves. So we prevent skin contact with the powder, which is also not good for your skin. Another things are safety glasses. So to prevent powder to get in your eyes or other things if you handle like post-processing the supports or something like that, so nothing gets in your eyes. And the last thing is a jacket or a protection jacket, so you don't have powder on your normal clothes and to reduce the contact between skin and powder. The second thing is a possibility to unpack your part. Right here we have a model of our unpacking station. Inside our unpacking station you have the possibility to get rid of your powder that is in supports, in inner channels and also around the part. You only need it if it's not integrated in your printer. Number 3 is a sieving unit. In this case we have it already in our unpacking station. You need it to separate the bad and the good powder to reuse it again. Number 4, you need a powder storage. In this case, we have a cartridge, which is obviously not original size, but you can also use silos or normal buckets just to save the powder from the normal atmosphere to prevent oxidation. So number 5, you have a transportation possibility. In this case we have a trolley and a building cylinder just to ease your transportation of the heavy build plate and the powder around the part, because it's too heavy to carry by hand, of course. Number 6, a vacuum cleaner to get rid of small leftovers and to clean your workplace. Number 7, a device to separate your part from the substrate blade, like a saw, an eroding machine or a turning machine. Number 8, tools to get rid of your supports, like side cutters, tongs, sledge or chisels. Number 9, if you want to, you can finish your part with tools like a Dremel, glass bed blasting or corundum blasting machines, or also files to finish your part or the surface. Number 10, you can improve the mechanical properties of your part with a thermal treatment, and then you would need an oven. 11, you have the possibility to do a conventional post-processing with a drilling machine or a milling machine, of course. Of course, you have to follow some installation conditions. You need energy, of course, electricity. Here you have the possibility, depending on your machine, if you need a heavy current or common current supply. Then you need shielding gas like nitrogen or argon to prevent oxidation. If you want to know more about this, make sure you check out episode number 5 on the Amcademy. You need a flat and easy cleanable floor. The machine needs to stand stable and the floor has to, of course, be cleaned very easily So carpet is not really recommended. And the last thing is an air condition, so to keep the temperature on a steady low level, and most importantly to have a low humidity. As you see, there are quite a few other things you have to consider when you buy a metal 3D printer. Thanks for watching this episode of the AMcademy, and stay tuned for the next one.